Hey everybody, welcome back to my Vlogmas, and we're doing like 12 days of Vlogmas here. Pretty much trying to post for the 12 days of Christmas, and today we're going to be looking at my November BoxyCharm, and then we're also going to look at my December BoxyCharm in a different video, so stay tuned for that video as well. So here's my November BoxyCharm. I usually receive this like between the middle and the end of the month. When I'm filming this, I just received my November box not too terribly long ago, but wanted to go through it with you guys. So let's open her up and take out some of this stuff. So the theme for November's BoxyCharm was called Spellbound, and it tells you about the drop shops, when you're getting each individual drop shop. Don't know why they put the October one in there, but obviously there was a drop shop in November, and this is where you can buy like the makeup at a discount if you do have BoxyCharm, which those are really cool. And then on the back here we have all of the details about this box. So these boxes, of course, are supposed to be valued at about $125 or more, and the regular subscription is $30 a month. So this is everything I have in my box. There's a lot from this brand, Luxe or something like that. Pulling this one out first, this is the Luxe Beauty, like an artistry, like an art. The Luxe Beauty Like an Artista brush set. So that's what this is right here. It's a brush set. So let's kind of open that up real quick. Take a look. Looks like the MSRP on this brush set is $27, and I do love a really good brush set. I feel like the BoxyCharm sets, they're really good. So here's one of the brushes here. This is a B100. Kind of reminds me of the radio station where I grew up at home. This one retails for $27, and it's that Luxe brush set. All right. Then we have the Pinky Rose Cosmetics right here. This is a multi-use makeup base stick. It says a creamy base multi-use makeup stick that can be used on the eyelids, as an eyeshadow or a primer to your eyeshadow. It can also be used on the bottom lash line, waterline, brow bone, or lips, and is the perfect duo to be used together or separately. So we have two shades here. Oh, the packaging is really cool. I like that. And you can use it. Oh, actually, that's super pretty. Look at this right here. Ooh, that's like a copper tone. That is gorgeous. Like, look how pretty that is. I would definitely wear that just like on its own, but it says you can wear it as an eyeshadow base. This one I can understand wearing more as an eyeshadow base. Looks like it's just like a matte. Ooh, I like that though. And it's kind of waxy feeling, but it matches my skin really well, so that'd be like a great eyeshadow base. That's really pretty, that copper tone though. Like, that is so pretty. So this set, the Pinky Rose set, retails for $20 MSRP. I absolutely love like the little radio that it looks like. Then we have this little Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrops. Wait a minute, is this what I think it is? It's that little like hourglass shaped. I'm destroying the box because now I'm super curious. These were like, it is. These were like viral on TikTok, and everybody was talking about them as like making your makeup look insanely beautiful. And this is a $34 Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrop. And Kelly Gooch talked about this a lot on her channel, and she tried it because all the people who had been using it, it was a TikTok trend. Like, I am so happy to get this one. This is exciting. I love the way this feels. I actually have one of the other Glow Recipe. It's actually from their watermelon line as well, and it's a moisturizer for your face. I actually think I have it. So this is another one from Glow Recipe that I received in a BoxyCharm. It's the Watermelon Sleeping Mask, and this is from the same line. I love this sleeping mask. It's actually just a moisturizing mask. both of them. They smell so good, but these are both from the same line. Like how like adorable these are. But I love this one, so I definitely have a feeling I'm gonna love the Glow recipe, even if it's just as like a moisturizer for like the base of my makeup. Like, ooh, y'all, like this feels so good. So the Glow recipe, it says it's a highlighting skincare and makeup hybrid. It visibly brightens skin and delivers an effortless glow. It helps hyperpigmentation. It's lightweight, buildable texture, quickly absorbs, making it suitable for all skin types. You can use it as a highlighting serum before moisturizer or as the last step of your routine. That's really interesting. I'd actually probably just put this like underneath my makeup. And now my hands smell so good. But this Niacinamide Dewdrops, $34 from Glow recipe. Super excited because I love the sleeping mask one. So I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna like add these right back into my routine like right now. They're going over here. We have Julep Beauty Makeup Remover Towelettes. I've actually been needing more of these because I love just the way that they completely wash all of the makeup off, and then you can use their actual face cleanser, and it just gets rid of all the filth and dirt on your face. And you can even use these like right after you wash your face, and you can use it to just kind of like get the rest of the grime and grit off. It's just they're multi-use. So these are the Julep Beauty Makeup Removing Towelettes. They are a 2-in-1 wipe. It gently removes makeup and impurities while also refining pores and toning skin because it has witch hazel, glycerin, and olive oil in it. That is actually awesome. Witch hazel will tone your skin. Glycerin is actually a moisture. What glycerin does is it locks in the moisture into your skin, and then olive oil is also very nourishing for your skin as well. Actually, you can do like hot oil treatments on your scalp, and they're supposed to be really good for you. So the fact that it has those 3 main ingredients in there, that's amazing. It says it's suitable for all skin types, especially oily and acne prone, which, you know, your skin always constantly changes, so that's good to know. This is a $20 makeup wipe. Makeup remover wipe. So kind of like to give you a comparison of the size. I have here, these are Claire's baby wipes. You can buy a whole like pack, like a whole like box of these for like $30 or so, while this one is $20 right there. So, but they do have skincare benefits. It'll be really, really nice to use these instead of, I do like using baby wipes to remove my makeup, but now that I have some of these, I'm going to try them and let you guys know what I think. All right, and then we have the LUXE Beauty I Am Alma set, and this actually comes with lashes and a really teeny tiny petite eyeshadow palette. Like, look how tiny that is. It's super cute though. Definitely like travel friendly. And the detail in this is crazy. Like, look at the imprint of that. That's really cute. And it also comes with this teeny tiny little mirror. You guys can see right here. The camera doesn't want to work. So you get lashes, you get the cute little eyeshadow palette, and it is a magnetic closure. The brand is also cruelty-free and vegan friendly. So not tested on animals, and that's good to know because the eyeshadow brush set as well. So this set here, the beautiful lashes, and then the little eyeshadow palette. Oh, look, there's the eyelash glue. This cute little set right here says it's the complete eye set that includes everything you need for an eye-catching look. The Alma palette offers a combination of 6 matte and shimmer shades. It is the perfect on-the-go travel size. That's very true. The set is also inclusive of a pair of beautiful vegan reusable lashes, complementary to every eye size. So this set right here is $25. So $13.50 for each one, which is kind of pricey for these, but for lashes, that's fine. So yep, like it says, it's a really good travel palette. Like, this thing is so tiny and very pretty. You can do some really beautiful like neutral looks with it, and you could also do like a couple pops of color if you ever wanted to. I actually think this is something I want to keep because it just looks so travel friendly, considering Clay and I go to a lot of places, and I could create a lot of like neutral looks with this. Just something super easy. So here is everything that I received in my November boxy. Let's pull it all back out here. So we have the Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dewdrops, the eyeshadow, the makeup brushes, the eyeshadow palette, the really cute lashes. These actually are, they're not super dramatic and over the top, but they're also not like dull either. They're really cute. We have some of these shadow based sticks, so like this is like the perfect travel combination right here. Just this right here. We have the eye brush set. It's like they knew that like I just needed something tiny to travel with. Like how they know that, I don't know. This is what I got from my November. This is what I got from my November BoxyCharm. So these I am actually thinking about keeping. And anything that I don't keep, it does get listed in my Posh closet. So stay tuned for, you know, updates being made to my Posh closet. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching my BoxyCharm November unboxing. Stay tuned for my December unboxings. Yes, plural. And stay tuned for that one so you guys can see the surprise that I got in the mail from BoxyCharm from December. Bye.